Yo, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. And today is the day that we are going to be pulling the motor out. I actually got the engine puller right here. I picked this up last night from you could say one of my co-workers. He's a mechanic at my job. They always help me out over there. Greatly appreciated. But today we're gonna be taking out the motor finally for my car, and I'm waiting on Shakeem right now, my boy. For the new subscribers, you probably don't know who he is, but the old subscribers do know. I'm waiting on him right now so we can take out this motor, and as I wait, what I'm gonna be doing is seeing if I can disconnect any little thing that I could, and I'm just gonna time lapse everything once he gets here. And we're just gonna get right into it, see if we can pull this motor out in about less than 2-3 hours. Yeah, so I'm like very excited to finally get this done. Hopefully everything goes as planned. Usually for cars it takes twice as long as you say it's gonna take, but I hope it doesn't take too long. He knows what he's doing in a way, and I know what I'm doing in a way. I haven't ever used an engine puller, and I've never pulled out a motor before. This is gonna be my first time, and it's gonna be a great experience. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I'm trying to record as much as I can since I'm at home, and I do have a charger for my camera so I can charge it. Usually when I do record long videos, my camera dies, but stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be a mission. Oh man, it's almost that time. One thing that I do have to do is I have to pull up the car over this step here. Over this little step, I gotta pull the car up a little bit so then the engine puller can be over here, and then we could easily roll the engine back into the garage. Yeah, so I have to do all that because if I don't and I pull the engine right past this, there's no way I can pull the engine puller back into the garage. So let me just try to I'm gonna wait until Shakeem comes, and then we're gonna pull the car up a little bit and see what I can do. I still have to drain the transmission fluid because of the fact that the reason why I didn't is because I haven't been actually like wanting to work on my car. So the thing is, like, I just been letting it sit, but I drained all the other fluid for my car, and that's all done. So all I have to do is start disconnecting more of the harness and then take off the grounds and all that, and then we should be all set. Yo, what's up? Haven't been around a camera in a long time.
Right. See, I forgot to put this on the charger, but it got 2 bars.
There's always something.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so we took out the first axle, the driver's side axle right here, and it's already sitting in the garage, but we're gonna take out the passenger side. I'm gonna record that side for you guys because I didn't do it for the driver's side. So anyways, let's get into it.
I'm so happy, oh my god. I was getting so tight with this shit, I'm like, man, I just remembered, wait a minute, this bitch probably on a lower setting or something. There's no reason the reason why it's twerking so damn weak.
What was it? Oh, it was in the low setting.
It was on 2, and I normally have it on 3.
Try sliding it out now.
Huh. Yeah, so Easy. Alright, yeah, so where's snuff ring going? Is on it still?
Yeah. Oh, finally. Look at that.
Long ass serpentine belt.
I know.
It's like fucking Fat Joe's
Belt. Alright everybody, so I don't know where I left off, but basically we took out the axles, we took out the compressor house, or the compressor, we took out the serpentine belt, and now we're gonna see if we can lift the motor up and pull this thing out. Hopefully everything goes as planned, and hopefully it doesn't get stuck or anything like that. But it's a moment of truth. I'm gonna time lapse it for you guys. Now what we're going to be doing is we already put the car inside of the garage, halfway at least, and we took off the wheels, and now we're going to take off the top bolts for the motor mounts. We're going to see if we can pull out this motor. Alright guys, it's been probably about like a half an hour, I don't even know when, an hour, since I last updated you guys, but we finished basically taking most of the stuff apart. We took off the transmission bracket, and it looks like we are about ready to try to hoist this motor out.
They said you want to Harbor Freight and rent it, got the school and turn it down.
Back it out some. Yeah, hey, jack it up some more.
Jack me up some more. This is not hitting nothing over here.
We're gonna have to drop the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it.
I have to take out the whole engine again?
No, you could drop the motor, you could just drop the tranny, but me personally, I have to drop the transmission.
This here, right?
Yeah.
Do you think that'll by itself and it falls? It goes?
Yeah, if you have the lift, it's easier.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
What the fuck is this here? The long,
That's
straight
not,
pipe, I guess?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The bottom.
Literally a
Is there another
straight
bolt?
pipe.
I'll just scan it.
Huh?
Oh yeah, ask man for what are you, a BMW?
Yeah, run through this one.
So all this is gonna look the same, basically, like
Yeah.
it's gonna look cleaner, like.
You should spray it.
I wanna spray it before I put it in.
Yeah, you twist this one off or something.
That makes it look a lot cleaner, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you got it. Up more, up more. That's Isaac! Alright, Gianna. Came at the perfect time, we just finished. Where the tire at?
I don't learn. Huh? That's a lot of work. It is a lot of work.
That's just Other side.
Yeah. Anywhere. Yes, man. Dog. Oh, look, the picture, bro. Oh, bro. Nah. Oh, yeah. That was just like.
Alright, so we finally got the motor out. Empty engine bay, and now we're trying to put the motor on the tires. Then we'll be set for now until I deliver my motor to the guy. Alright guys, so we finally got the motor out. It's over there on the ground, and as you can tell, there is no motor inside of my car. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, it's more of a time lapse, but yeah, stay tuned for the next part of this video. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in 2 parts or not, but we'll see. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.